Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest must-haves to help you decide what's worth your time and money. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best back scrubber for bath, the Metene shower brush. Now, if you're like most people, washing your back is kind of a hassle, right? You twist, you reach, you hope that loofah gets the job done. But the Metene shower brush is here to change all that. At first glance, it's a simple wooden brush with bristles, but there's more to this than meets the eye. Let's talk design. The brush features a 17-inch long lotus wood handle, making it super easy to reach every inch of your back without awkward stretching or straining. It's sturdy, lightweight, and feels comfortable in your hand. There's also a rubber grip area so it doesn't slip even when wet, plus a handy rope loop for easy hanging when you're done. But here's where it really stands out. It's dual-sided. One side has soft nylon bristles, perfect for gentle cleaning and daily use. They glide across your skin smoothly and help cleanse without being abrasive. It's ideal for sensitive skin or those days when you just want a relaxing scrub. Flip it over and you get the stiff bristles made from natural fibers. This side is all about exfoliation. If you're into dry brushing or just want to slough off dead skin cells and promote circulation, this side is your go-to. It gives that satisfying scrub without feeling overly harsh. What's really great is that it works both wet and dry. So whether you want to use it in the shower with your favorite body wash or as part of a dry brushing routine before a bath, it adapts to your needs. The materials, nylon, natural bristles, lotus wood, and polymer resin, feel high quality and designed to last. Cleaning the brush is easy, and Metene recommends washing it every few weeks to remove buildup and replacing it every 3 to 6 months for hygiene. That's a fair ask for something that becomes a daily essential in your routine. It's also surprisingly lightweight at just over 7 ounces and compact enough to fit into your shower space or travel bag without bulk. There's a reason it consistently ranks in the top of its category. It's simple, effective, and affordable. So if you're tired of shower tools that underperform or wear out too quickly, the Metene shower brush might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. It delivers spa-like exfoliation at home, it's user-friendly, and gives you 2 brushes in one. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this brush sounds like something you'd want in your routine, check out the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest product reviews. We'll see you in the next one.